If you're a Forex scalper, you know that finding the right prop firm can either make or break your trading success. So in this video, I'm putting Glownote under the microscope, a prop firm that has been making waves among the Forex traders. But my question would be, does it really live up to the hype? So join me as I share my personal opinion about Glownote, uncover the pros and cons, and help you decide whether this prop firm could be a game changer you had been looking for. So Glownote is basically that new kid on the block in the world of prop firms and trading tools. They kicked off their journey in April 2021 with the aim to work with other traders to help them to succeed in the market. But let me tell you, they are not just about the funding, because they also offer some other trading tools as well, which basically makes trading lives easier and more comfortable. So let's actually take a look at their website. So when I visited Glownote's website for the first time, I have to admit, I let out a little sigh of relief, because the homepage is refreshingly minimalist and straightforward with all the important information right there in the front of you. Now, what I absolutely loved was how easy it was to find everything I needed. So in the top right corner, you will see the options for support, about us, tools, blog, affiliate, and dashboard for the members to log in. And they are all in the minimalistic white layout against a darker background, which just makes them pop and easy to spot. So navigating through the site is an absolute breeze, which I think is a major plus when it comes to a prop firm. However, I did notice that when you click on a blog section, it doesn't open right away. You kind of have to scroll with your mouse and then all the articles appear. So there is a slight delay, which could be a bit off-putting, but I hope they will look into this and improve the response time in the future. But apart from that, it looks like the folks at the Glownote understand that sometimes less is more, and they're applying the same philosophy to the approach to prop trading. So now that I have covered the basics and shared some first impressions, let's dive deeper into what Glownote actually offers. So with their two-phase and one-phase evaluations, as well as the instant funding option, I think there's something for everyone. The two-phase evaluation offers account sizes from manageable $5,000 to an impressive $200K, with the prices ranging from $50 all the way to $9.99. So there is an option for every budget and ambition. So for the phase 1 evaluation, again, account sizes ranging from 5K all the way to 100K, and while there is no phase 1 profit target, you have a relaxed target of 10% with a daily drawdown of 4% and a maximum drawdown of 8%. And looking at their instant funding options, you do have an account sizes from $10,000 all the way to 100K. While you do not have any phase 1 or phase 2 profit targets, you do have a daily drawdown of 5% as well as an absolute drawdown at the same percentage. So the next thing I noticed while scrolling on the website is that they have no time limit for completing evaluations, which I believe is also a huge plus, because it removes a lot of stress and allows traders to focus on refining their trading skills instead of just racing against the clock. So in my opinion, this kind of flexibility is very valuable for the traders who are looking to improve at their own pace. Now, the profit split at the Glownote seems quite fair. It's starting at 80-20 up to 90-10, so it's reassuring to know that when you succeed in your trades, you get to keep a good portion of the profits, which is absolutely awesome. Now, me being as a trader looking at the prop firm, I would need to know if there is any trading restrictions, because it's important. So with all of these three options, there are no restrictions when it comes to trading times, and you can keep trades open overnight and over the weekend, giving you more freedom to make your moves in the market. Now, another important aspect when trading with Glownote, especially if you're a scalper, trading the news is allowed, but you do need to exercise caution. Because let's say if significant profits are generated due to abnormal price movements like NFP, CPI, or GDP data, the trade may be reset and you may be asked to demonstrate more consistent trading. Now, when you're ready to make your first withdrawal, you will be happy to know that you can submit your request after just 14 calendar days on your funded account. They process payouts through Deal, which means you can expect a smooth and reliable experience. Now, moving on to the Glownote's FAQ section is another feature caught my attention. It follows the same minimalistic, smooth, and expandable style as the rest of the website, so this makes it incredibly easy to navigate and find the answers to your questions quickly. Now, in their tools section, Glownote also offers a trading view indicator membership that ranges from $39.99 per month to a yearly subscription of nearly $300. So by choosing one of these memberships, you will gain access to Discord, their premium indicator, of course, one-on-one support, and it seems that they are working on trading videos, which should be coming out soon. Additionally, Glownote has a helpful FAQ section located in the same tools area, making it easy for you to find the answers to any concerns or your questions you may have. Now let's talk about the Glownote's pros and cons. And one of the biggest pros is that they have no time limit for evaluation options. So what that basically means is that you won't have a time-ticking bomb hovering around your head, forcing you to make rushed decisions and meeting those profit targets. But instead, you can take your time and approach the market with a clear head. And to be honest, who doesn't really want that? And in my opinion, with more reasonable profit targets, you won't have to make any crazy bets just to hit those numbers. So it's really a win-win situation. So in terms of their trading platforms, Glownote works with both MT4 and MT5, which is great for the traders who prefer either platform. They're also super accommodating when it comes to allowing EA copy traders and bots, making it even easier for the traders to execute their trading strategies and systems easily. Now let's talk about some of the potential drawbacks when working with Glownote. One thing to consider is that the firm charges a commission of $3.50 per lot size for Forex pairs. So while this might not seem like a huge amount, it can certainly add up for those who frequently scalp and trade large volumes. Also, the max leverage for Forex is 130, which may be limiting for some scalpers who prefer to trade with a higher leverage. However, there is always a bright side to this. So when trading with a funded account, you will have access to a larger account size, which can help offset the impact of the lower leverage. And I believe trading with a 130 leverage may actually be beneficial for some traders, as it encourages better risk management practices and discourages over leveraging. So as with any prop firm, there are certain rules that may not work for everyone. So for example, when I mentioned about the news trading rule, it can be a bit frustrating for the scalpers who rely on news events to make quick profits. But on the flip side, this encourages traders to focus on more consistent trading strategies rather than relying solely on volatile news events. So in my opinion, Glownote is like a buffet with something for everyone, and whether you're a short-term swing trader, day trader, or even the scalper who prefers to avoid a volatile market, Glownote has got you covered. But before I put the final points for the Glownote, let me share something exciting with you all. So I'm really happy to announce that I will be giving away a free $10,000 account with Glownote to one of you. All you have to do is to leave a comment down below telling me why you should win this account. So don't be shy, let me know why you deserve to be a lucky winner of this free $10,000 account with Glownote. So in conclusion, if you're looking to become a profitable trader but you need a little bit of push from a prop firm, I think Glownote is undoubtedly a worthy option to consider. So while you make up your mind, don't forget to check out my previous video on how I overcame my trading struggles by clicking this video next.